A similar but distinct situation from its predecessor has been shown by the rumored battery capacity of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25 will have the same 4000 mAh battery as the Galaxy S24, according to a rumor from Galaxy Club. 4000 mAh batteries are also included in the Galaxy S20 and S21, however the S22's battery life dropped to 3700 mAh, which is alarming. The S23 addressed this to some extent by raising the capacity to 3900 mAh, and the S24 ultimately raised it to 4000 mAh. It currently seems that the S25 will remain stable at that level. It's important to take into account the growing need for smartphone batteries, even if a 4000 mAh battery is enough. Increased refresh rates lead to increased power consumption, while processor power is also increasing due to brighter screens and feature-rich displays. Although performance is supposedly clocked at over 4 GHz, the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is claimed to have significant power requirements. With significantly faster clock speeds and a greater power need, Samsung's upcoming S-series phone will employ a unique May version of this chip designed for Galaxy devices. As a result, a 4000 mAh battery would not be able to provide enough power to operate the chip at its peak performance. On the other hand, there are reports that Chinese companies are choosing to use larger 6000 mAh batteries in their flagships that are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The most recent information on the Galaxy S25's battery is consistent with the earlier report, which claimed that AI may have improved the phone's battery life rather than indicating any increases in battery capacity. In order to extend battery life, the phone is said to contain an AI-powered battery-saving mode that will turn off pointless background programs that use RAM. It's important to keep in mind that these are just leaks and that Samsung's final specifications may differ, but an increasing number of leaks indicate that there won't be any change in battery capacity. Will Samsung's bet on AI-optimized battery management be enough to offset the power demands of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in the Galaxy S25, or will users have to trade performance for longer battery life? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.